Oh yeah, they're all over there. I see green, orange, blue. They're way out there. It's like they're in the wrong direction. Oh, no, wait. I'm just looking at the wrong direction myself. I'm looking far out. They're over there. No, wait. Like, 2 of them are from my group. I see a green paddle. None of us had one. I see a white bottom again. None of us had one. We had a green and a red and an orange, a multi-tone, and then a green sit on top. Who would be wearing a hat? I was practically at the dock. Yeah. Well, are they? Because it's like 5:30.
Yeah, we gotta get going.
Do any of them have a phone?
I have no idea.
I know Matt was probably leaving his in. Megan was probably leaving hers in. Shit. Yeah, but then somebody's got to paddle all the way back there. Hopefully they get it, but you know, Matt's probably coming down from his high, unless he's smoking again. You know, when I'm paddling alone, it doesn't seem like I'm going that fast.
Oh yeah, but you're actually gonna fucking flying.
I also end up talking to myself a hell of a lot more.
I get that.
We've run aground. If only I could be like, okay, Google, call them, without having to press a button.
Yeah.
Like, and I'm not even like furious paddling either, and I'm doing pretty nice.
Oh yeah. You just cut through the water.
Well, that's the thing. Mine's a flat bottom, so like it's supposed to get up to speed quick, but then like not coast very well. genuinely surprised. My GoPro's been going like since we left the beach, and it's still got battery.
Sorry, I couldn't hear a word you said.
I was saying, I'm surprised my GoPro's still running.
Oh, nice.
Like
yeah,
since we left the beach.
Awesome.
I didn't think it had that much battery.
Oh, yeah, I guess so.
I think I'm gonna try and give him a call.